Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we'll talk about how you can add Snapchat Spotlight on Repurpose.io and upload your content or your videos on Repurpose.io. So, it's very easy. All you have to do is you have to add a new connection, click on that, and after that, you'll have to find Snapchat. Once you find Snapchat, it should be the destination. Now, you need to name the connection, and after that, you need to connect. After that, it will pop up a sign up or a sign in for Snapchat. So make sure you're signed in on Snapchat and you have to continue. And after that, once you start posting, you should always click on auto publish. So whenever you upload something on repurpose.io, you or your source, you will get your content uploaded on Snapchat Spotlight. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.